rocket blast off at the speed of light.
Surrender now or prepare to fight.
Meow, that's right. You gave us a phone?
He gave you a phone.
Do more.
How'd he give you a phone?
You sign up if you on full steps, you on Social Security, you got low income, you disability.
Woo-oo-hoo. I won another term, baby. America does believe in Santa Claus, welfare and abortions for all, tax the rich. Vote for me in 2016.
We conservatives may have lost the election, but the war to keep America from falling into ruin is far from over. Stay tuned for O-merica, my new political comedy series that doubles as a warning of what awaits us if we don't stop Mr. Hope and Change from effectively writing America's obituary.
You didn't vote for me. You must be a racist. Calling all agents, right-wing extremists on the premises. Commence Operation Censorship.
Stay tuned for O-merica, coming soon to the Caught Up Alive Network's political and current events channel.
He gonna put you all back in chains. Pistol whip him.